Let's make this windmill animation using rigid body motor constraint in Blender. As you can see, we have quickly created this scene with a windmill. Now, I want to animate the fan. I could simply animate it by using keyframes. That would give us an animation, but it doesn't give us full control over the fan speed. To gain the full control over the rotation of the fan, let's use a rigid body motor constraint. First, select this object of the windmill, go to the physics tab and add a rigid body and set the type to passive. Now select the fan, add a rigid body as well and set the type to active. Now select the passive object first and then the active object. Go to the object menu, then rigid body and choose connect. Blender will automatically add an empty object with a rigid body constraint. Select the empty, go to the physics tab and change the constraint type to motor. Now hit play. If the fan falls, that's expected. To fix that, select the fan, go to the object data properties and lock the location of a Z-axis. Next, select the empty again and enable angular under the motor setting. Hit play, you will notice the fan starts rotating, but likely not in the correct direction. So we need to realign the axis. Select the empty, press RZ, then type -90 to rotate it and align the x-axis correctly. To increase the speed, select the fan, go to the physics tab and reduce the mass value to something like 0.01. Then select the empty, go back to the physics tab and increase the target angular velocity to speed it up. You can also make the fan rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise by making the target velocity positive or negative. Hit play to preview the final result. Once satisfied, finalize your scene by setting up your camera angles and lighting. That's it, your windmill animation using rigid body motor constraint in Blender is ready to render. Follow Art of Abhi for more.